All right, guys, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and not everyone has the luxury of having their boo buy them some chocolate. So, you know me, I'm going to take things into my own hands. I'm at Farris and Foster's. I'm going to do my own chocolate, so I officially become a chocolatier today with the ladies because it's ladies' night. Tell us about this place, how it's basically a chocolate heaven.
Yeah, well, we started about 15 years ago. Can we teach people how to make chocolate? Would they like to do that? Oh my gosh, we started doing that and it just took off. It was just a phenomenal response we got.
You can do birthday parties, reveals, a bunch of stuff.
Monday night's family night, Friday night is date night, Saturday night is singles night. Every night, 7 o'clock, teaching a 10-minute class and then letting people loose and making whatever they'd like.
It's obvious that tonight was a success here at Farris and Foster's because with Valentine's just around the corner, who needs a boyfriend when you have all this chocolate, right ladies? I'm out of here.